Hey guys. Okay, so sorry about that. I was planning on coming on at 6:45 and I ended up being super delayed. So finally on. I wanted to do a little unboxing to show you what I got in my Scentsy welcome kit and my Shooting Star enhancement kit. And Shooting Star is just one of the goals that I was able to reach with a lot of your help. So thank you for supporting me. So let's get started. Okay, so what came in my kit, of course, the first thing would be this welcome, which of course is backwards on my side, maybe yours too. And it has all the information in it that you need as a consultant, different things, ways to set things up. It's pretty nice. Hi, comment when you're here, say hello. I want to say hi to whoever's here. I also got a counter clean in my kit in Squeeze the Day. It's such a nice lemony scent, but it's not too lemon, so it's good. And counter clean really works on anything. I've been able to use it on, of course, the counter, and then cleaning my car. Hi, Michelle. And I don't know, I'm just amazed at how nice and fresh it is. It's just such a great product, and it's pretty cheap too. A lot of the cleaning products are around $10, so that's not bad for what you get. And I got a wax bar in Black Raspberry Vanilla, and I'm sure you've all seen our bars, but they're pretty big. And Black Raspberry Vanilla is quite a bestseller. I got order forms because people love Scentsy. And holy moly, I have a ton of catalogs. So if anybody would like one, let me know because I don't need them all. Some catalogs, if anyone would like to join as a team member, let me know. Lots of samples. And, oh yes, Black Raspberry Vanilla is the #1 scent with the company. That's right. At first I wasn't sure about it, but I actually really like it, especially warming it. It's a lot nicer than I expected, but that's the difference with some of them. You might not know if you like it or not on cold, but if you warm it, somehow I don't know, it smells different, or maybe you just smell a lot more of it. And I got a Luna scent circle, which I put these in my car, but you can put them anywhere that you need a little extra scent. And I got, sorry, I'm reaching in the box. I got this warmer. It's a classic curve gloss gray. And I'm just gonna open it. And inside the box, they always have really cute sayings. It says, "Life is about moments. Don't wait for them, create them." And that's from Heidi, one of the co-CEOs. And the Scentsy mission: to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunity, selling creative, artistic, high-quality products, which they are, that warm the heart, enliven the senses, and inspire the soul. I'm just amazed at how nice the warmers are and how there's such a wide selection that you can pretty much find one to fit your home no matter what the decor is. Let's see. This one takes a light bulb. It's 25-watt light bulb, and it just goes in here, and then The wax just goes in the dish here. And a lot of our warmers, especially recently, have a number on the bottom. That one says 4, and that's just the limit to how many wax cubes you can put in the warmer so it doesn't overflow and you won't have a waxident. Nobody wants one of them. And then last but not least, here is the 2021 product list. And this is just everything at a glance. So you can see like all the amazing warmers, and there's a lot. The reason why my kit was a smaller one is because I ended up flipping my party when I was a hostess because I really wanted to join. And I was able to get all of this for free with my hostess rewards. So that's always an option if you want to start your business. And then, or you can just have a party. Just have a party, get free stuff, half-priced things. And depending on the price of the party, you could earn a lot of free stuff. So what I want to do, this box is massive. I want to unbox my Shooting Star Enhancement kit with you. There's lots of paper. And tell you what I got. I did pay for this box, but its value is almost double what's inside of it. And I have so many products now that I get to share with you. So Scentsy isn't just wax and warmers. We have a pet line, a body line, cleaning, laundry. I guess laundry and cleaning. Well, you're cleaning your clothes, but cleaning like other things, and then laundry. But here's a product in our body line. It's the Shimmer body wash, and that is cherry, apricot, white musk, and spun sugar. So that sounds pretty good. Very clean. And then we have our unplugged products, and that includes our Scentsy pods, and you can put these in the Scentsy Go, in the little Scentsy holders with the USB cord. You can put them in, I have one here, in a fan diffuser. And this one, oh, it's plastic, it won't break because I just dropped it. But this is our fan diffuser. This one is Star. That's so pretty. And you would just put the pods in here. There's a little fan, and you would put the pods in there and then just close it. And what's really cool about our plugs is that, say your outlet is a different direction, you can just push this button and turn it. Oh gosh. And you can turn it so that the oh, there we go. I thought I was losing my mind. You can turn it so that, say the outlet's sideways or upside down, you can change it so that it fits. So it'll work for any outlet. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, not only was I able to get the kit for free, but I also got to pick more items for free too. So depending on, like Michelle said, depending how much your party closes at, will depend on how much other free stuff you get too. I just think that's so awesome. And I feel like Scentsy is really generous with our rewards. I don't know. Not to bash any other companies, but I just feel like there's a lot that you can get. And I have another warmer. It's our Etched Core Warmer. Oh, this is a message from Orville, and it says, "You are only entitled to what the least among us has. Every good thing in our lives is a bonus, so be grateful." And this dish is a little bit different, but it still has a 4 on it. So, and what I got into recently was mixing different scents. I don't know, I just really like it. I like to see what I can come up with. And then if you really don't like it, then usually you can tone it down with a vanilla bean buttercream. But if you don't like it, then just, I don't know, clean it up and then start it again with a different scent. This again has a bulb. And this one, you would just have it on top and the light will come out when the bulb is on. And we have different color bulbs, so you can actually use one of those to change the ambiance. And it's loud. And then, try to do this so I don't break any. Oh, going back to our body line, we have hand soap, which of course smells wonderful. This is the pineapple coconut vanilla, and it says it's coconut, pineapple, and blue fig. It smells really good. And then, oh my goodness, I haven't even opened this yet, so there's a lot of stuff in here that I didn't even realize I had. Ooh, okay. Here's another counter clean. Well, the other one was in my welcome kit. This is in lemon verbena. And well, that's just delightful. And it's another counter clean. You can't have too many. And then a Scentsy Fresh in Amazon Rain. So you could just spray that on anything and give it a little extra kick to it. Make it smell good. What is it? Looks like it's from an alien. Okay. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Oh, it's so the wax doesn't melt. That makes sense. Okay. And I haven't tried a lot of these. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. So we have By the Sea. Smells like the ocean. Amazon Rain, which is really good if you mix it with Johnny Appleseed and vanilla bean buttercream, and what else did I do? Iridescent Pearl. That's what I had in my room, and it was so good. Oh yeah, Chelsea, hi. By the Sea, I I just smelled it in a sample and this smells so good. Oh my gosh. It's like clean, but it's not too like, it doesn't have that clean smell where you feel like you just cleaned the house. Like it's just clean and nice and it makes you want to go to the beach, which is weird because I don't usually like the sand, but I like that. And then aloe water and cucumber. That smells good. There aren't many scents with like these clean, nice ones that I don't like. Sea salt and avocado. My favorite. Vanilla bean buttercream. I'm a sucker for bakery scents. And then we have clothesline. What's that one's bean? And put those down here. It's a cool little 6-pack. And for anybody that wants to buy any bars, they are buy 5, get 1 free. And you only spend $30. So it's perfection. And then, oh, another scent circle. This one in Just Breathe. And a scent pack, which can go into your Scentsy buddy. And that's in Amazon Rain. And you can use it anywhere else. I just love my Scentsy buddies. And then speaking of Scentsy buddies, this isn't a full-size buddy, but it is a buddy clip. And it is Twiggy the Turtle. So cute. And he or she is scented in Sun-Kissed Citrus. Whew. Smells really good. I have 2 more of these and I love them. I have them sitting on my desk at work and they're like my little buddies there. Then and here is a warmer. I don't have any of these little ones. It's in, well, you can't see it, but it's Lily Garden. And it says, it's Orville, and it says, be a star big enough that others can wish upon you. That's so cute. Okay. Let's see. How does this? Whoa. Okay. Never had one of these. So it's like clear. And then it has a bulb. And of course, like I said, we can change up the bulbs, but it's pretty neat. That it'll light up and then you just screw it on. And plug it in wherever you want, and then you just flip the switch and you have the light. And then this one, now that I know what I'm doing, I could turn it a little easier. But this one just turns, again, just like the other one, to accommodate whatever outlet you have so that you can use it. It's like the goodies never end. One more warmer. Oh, and that one, the warmer, because it's smaller, you usually only want to use 1 cube in there so it doesn't overflow. And this little saying is from Heidi, and it says, knowing our beloved fragrance, if I could talk, knowing our beloved fragrances will be part of countless special moments from first steps to family gatherings is what inspires us every day. Thank you for that gift. Oh, This one is a hoot, literally. This one. It's funny, you see these in the catalog and it's so different to see them in person. Well, okay, there we go. This is called Hoot. It's our owl. And that one has a bulb too, so the eye's like laid up and the back when you turn it on. And then of course, same thing with the plug. They're all like that. And then it just has the on and off switch here. So that would be a pretty cool nightlight. And I have more, but I'm switching gears from the warmers because Scentsy isn't just warmers and wax, as you've seen. But we actually have oils too. And I have in here the Fleur, I don't know, Gray Deluxe Diffuser. And this one says, our lives are full of meaning because of your lives and the impact we have on the world together. Precious. Okay, now. This is huge. Let's see. Oh my goodness. See like the little flower shapes? And this one is really big. It's really, really big. And it changes colors here. Like you can change to the different colors. And also it changes how much it mists out the top if you switch this. And maybe I'll show it in another video when it's on, when I'm around a plug. And then they also included 2 oils. So I have the eucalyptus essential oil here. And I also have the Twinkle Twinkle natural oil blend. So cute. And that is, and they're both 15 milligrams. They're 0.5 ounces. And yeah, so that is the end of my unboxing. If you have any questions or if you want to host a party, just let me know. Hey, Carly. If you happen to, really? Twinkle Twinkle is your favorite? It sounds so like cute and peaceful and, I don't know, reminiscent of like, I always think Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But yeah, if you want to have a party or become a consultant maybe, or just have any questions about Scentsy, let me know. And I will see you guys later. Bye.